Good morning. Are the kids ready?
Almost. Today is our Istanbul day.
What is the plan?
Simple plan. Tram to Sultanahmet, walk, lunch, bazaar, and a ferry ride.
That sounds perfect. Not too fast.
Yes. We walk slow and enjoy. And we keep the kids close. Busy city.
Of course. Phone and passport safe.
This tram is cool.
Yes, it's an easy way to travel here.
Where are we going now?
We are going to Sultanahmet. It is a famous area.
Will I see big mosques?
Yes, very big. And many people.
Okay, I'm holding.
Good. And no running on the tram.
Mom, wow, this place is beautiful.
Yes. This is Sultanahmet Square.
I see a big mosque. Blue mosque, right?
Yes, that's the Blue Mosque.
Can we go inside?
Later. First, we look from outside and take photos.
I love the gardens and the fountain. Me too.
Stand here. Smile.
Okay.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's so big and pretty.
This mosque is very famous. Many tourists come here.
Dad, why is it called Blue Mosque?
Inside, there are blue tiles. That's why.
Oh, I want to see those tiles.
We will, but we must be respectful. Quiet voice inside.
Yes, Dad.
Look at that building. Is that Hagia Sophia?
Yes, very famous and very old.
It looks like a palace.
It has a long history. Many years, many stories.
Istanbul feels like history and modern life together.
Exactly. That's the magic.
Mom, I'm hungry. Very hungry.
I know. We will eat now.
What is this bread?
It's Turkish bread. Try it. Mmm.
Good.
And this is kebab. Not too spicy.
I want more.
Eat slowly. Drink water too.
Can I drink tea like you?
A little. Small sip.
Wow, it's strong. Turkish tea is strong.